Guys, in today's video, this is a really simple and easy and quick tutorial on how to open up your hips, which will help you to do the side splits really fast, and it's just one exercise. Without further ado, let's jump right into it, guys. So first things first, I just want to warm up my hips, which is really vital to prevent any injury or pain. So this is what I'm doing just to warm up my hips, yeah? It like this for a few seconds, inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth, breathing deep and consciously, and breathing into the hips. You'll feel the stretch a little bit here, guys. Now we are going to get in position, frog position, and by doing this, guys, it literally helped me to do the splits really fast. Raise your knees up and down like I'm doing, and then try and push them all the way to the floor. Bring your feet together and then raise them up and down like so. Might be sitting here thinking, why do I want to have like flexible hips? But flexible hips play a massive part in aligning your spine and keeping good posture, and also preventing backache. Hip openers help to release stress from the body, as they are stretching and strengthening muscles that are directly connected to our stress response. One muscle in particular is, I can't pronounce it, but it's a muscle that actually attaches to the lumbar spine, to the femur bone, and it basically gets triggered when we feel stress. Let's aim to do 20 reps of these. So keep going, you really feel it. And try to keep your feet connected and go up and down. Push your legs up, inhale, and when you lower them down, exhale. And guys, I cannot say enough like how much hip openers have changed my life. Literally anytime when I feel overwhelmed, I just get into my hip opening positions and I breathe deeply and consciously and just like blow out all the negativity, all the stress, let it all go. Inhale positivity and gratitude. Also, another benefit of stretching your hips is that it enables blood flow and like more mobility within your lower part, so therefore you can like, it enables you to grow your glute muscles easier if you're trying to grow your bum. The thing about this exercise is you can literally do it anywhere, well obviously within reason, but this is me doing it at home, and I added yoga to say I added yoga blocks for extra padding, but it's not essential. So this is me doing it without yoga blocks, and I'm gonna push my feet all the way to the wall and like really open up those hips. Aiming to make the gap smaller. Don't forget to breathe, guys. Deeply inhale through the nose and blow out slowly, even deeper through your mouth. Letting it all go. Just let it all go, literally. And sometimes I sit and just do this position whilst I'm on my bed or whilst I'm chilling on my laptop watching a movie. This is what really helped me to do the splits fast. However, I will say this, you guys, there really is no need to rush. Remember, everything in its very own divine timing. Making my legs wider and wider until I'm in a full split. And amazing, you guys. I cannot stress enough how amazing my mind, body, and soul feels. That's why I really wanted to share this video. And when I'm down in this position, I ensure to inhale deeply and consciously, feeling the stretch. Loving life. I want to say, guys, be patient with yourself and be kind. Go in with no expectations, no demands of your body. Enjoy the stretches and take your time and enjoy your journey, because it truly is the best part. Be patient and kind with yourself always, guys. Our top tip is consistency. Consistency is key. Try to do these stretches daily. With consistency, you can and you will, which is true for anything in life. It's just truly a case of how bad do you want it. Before you know it, you'll be doing the splits in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful. Can you see me?
You have to put the whole thing. But you need to see your head.
Can you not see my head?
Yeah, can. No, can. Faster.
Why? Why have I got to be faster?
Because you're going slow. Faster.
Aiden! Yoga's meant to be slow.
No, and you need to do it faster. That's too slow.
You guys want to see what top of the range camera equipment I use to film over my head? Yes, a clothes dryer using my noodle. You guys so very much, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you peace, love and happiness, you guys, and I really hope you do try these stretches. Love you.